When your clients find out you can do CGI and you understand this process and this workflow, they're going to be amazed. Imagine for a second that you could take all of Hollywood's magic and visual effects and bring those to your photos. That's what happens when photographers start to learn the process and the workflows in CGI. Running a business is all built around efficiency. Why work harder when you can work smarter? The process isn't overly complex. The workflow that we're using lends itself to you being able to learn how to offer these results to your clients quickly and start to really benefit your business. It doesn't have to be so hard, and that's the base of everything that we're doing in this tutorial. We're going to start off with the basic colorway. We'll be looking at references of different materials that we've taken and included in the tutorial so that you can see exactly what I'm looking at as we go along. From that reference, we'll start working on importing the 3D model, getting that into this space, and making sure that we double check that for any artifacts or things that we might need to make note of later. Now then we'll move on to materials. We'll move on to lighting. We'll start to render, change camera angles, adjust our lighting, make tweaks and changes way after the fact, and then finally render out our final images and do post-production and really show those deliverables that you could send to a client and just kind of blow their socks off. Now, when we're talking about the commercial side, that's a little bit more of the creative type of feel that we could find in something like ad campaigns. And this is really wrapped around using the previous model that we already had, importing that into a new scene, building what would seem to be a very simple environment, and then making it quite a bit more complex very easily, rendering out that final image. And then I show you a bit about the creative process that I go through in post-production to really give that product a good pop. So in the tutorial, you're going to see all of the creative steps that I use in the workflow, some of the mistakes that are made, and then we fix those so that you guys understand that it's not all extremely complicated. You can do this and you can provide these great results on an everyday basis.